Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a website you use that helps you a lot in your studies. You should say what the website is, how often you use this website, what information the website gives you, and explain how your work or studies would change if this website didn't exist.
One website that I use frequently to help me with my studies is called Quizlet. It's a free online platform that offers a variety of study tools and resources to help students learn and retain information. I use Quizlet on a regular basis, especially when I need to memorize information for exams or quizzes. The website has a wide range of study materials available, including flashcards, quizzes, and study games, which make learning more interactive and engaging. What I like most about Quizlet is the ability to create my own study materials. I can enter my own terms and definitions, or upload study sets from my textbooks or lectures. This makes it easy for me to personalize my study sessions and focus on the specific topics I need to learn. The website also has a community feature where users can share their study materials with others. This has been helpful for me when I need to review a topic that I'm struggling with, as I can search for study sets created by other students or teachers. If Quizlet didn't exist, my studies would definitely be affected. It's become an essential tool for me, and I rely on it heavily when preparing for exams and quizzes. Without it, I would likely have to spend more time creating my own study materials, which would take away from time I could be spending on other aspects of my studies. Overall, Quizlet has been a lifesaver for me, and I'm grateful to have access to such a helpful resource. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.